Here's how to change the background colors in Photoshop CC. Go to File, Open, and open your image. Right-click on the Object Selection tool from the toolbar on the left. Select Quick Selection tool. Click the box for Sample All Layers if you're working with a composite image. You can also click Enhance Edge for a more precise edge selection. Click Select Subject in the upper toolbar. For less up-to-date Adobe Photoshop versions, you'll have to manually outline the subject in the foreground. Photoshop has multiple tools such as the Lasso tool, Marquee tool, and the Magic Wand tool for outlining your subject. Once you have your area selected, press the Q key on the keyboard to enable Quick Mask mode. This will help you identify and remedy any uncaptured pixels. Zoom in so you can spot the edges and details that may not have been automatically captured. Areas that have been captured as part of the background will be red. Select the brush tool on the left toolbar. Paint in pixels as you see fit to be included or not included in the background. To include pixels in the background, paint them black with the brush tool. They should appear red in Quick Mask mode. To remove pixels from the background, paint them in white with the brush tool, and they'll be added to the subject. When you're finished, zoom out and tap Q again to exit Quick Mask mode. Next, select Solid Color from the Adjustment Layer menu in the bottom right. Select any color and click OK. Initially, the selected shade will color the subject rather than the background. To flip that, select the Layer Mask icon, then click Invert, located in the Properties panel. Double-click on the Solid Color thumbnail under the Layers tab and select the color of your choice for the background.